In this problem, they asked to calculate the probability mass function of every value of x and mean and variance of the distribution with the given parameters are n is equals to 8 and p is equals to 0.6. To calculate the probability mass function, we know that the formula p of x is equals to r, that is equals to ncr p power r q power n minus r. Coming to the solution, first we write the given parameters, which are n is equals to 8 and p is equals to 0.6. We know that the formula for probability mass function of a binomial distribution is given by, which is p of x is equals to r, that is equals to ncr p power r q power n minus r. They ask to calculate every value of x, so we need to substitute r is equals to 0 to 8. When substituting p of x is equals to 0, it means we need to substitute r is equals to 0, n is equals to 8 and p is equals to 0.6. To calculate the q, we know that p plus q is equals to 1, then q is equals to 1 minus p, then q is equals to 1 minus 0.6, therefore q is equals to 0.4. Here we need to substitute those values, which are 8c0, 0.6 power 0, 0.4 power 8 minus 0. By using the Casio, we get 6.5536 into 10 power minus 4. After 4 digits, there is a point, we can write 65,536 by 10 power 4 into 10 power minus 4. After 8 digits, we need to give the point, which can be written as 0.000065536. Therefore, p of x is equals to 0 is 0.000065536. Similarly, we calculate p of x is equals to 1. It means we need to substitute r is equals to 1 and n is equals to 8 and p is equals to 0.6 and q is equals to 0.4 in the binomial distribution formula, which is ncr p power r q power n minus r. Here we substitute 8c1, 0.6 power 1, 0.4 power n minus 1. By using the Casio, we get 7.86432 into 10 power minus. By solving this, we get p of x is equals to 1, that is 0.00786432. Similarly, we solve every term. For p of x is equals to 2 is 0.04128,768. We calculate every element which are shown here. To calculate mean and variance, when two parameters are given, we have the formula, which is mean mu is equals to np and variance sigma square is equals to npq. We know the formula for mean, which is mu is equals to n into p. In the question they given, n value is 8 and p value is 0.6. If we multiply 8 into 0.6, then mu is equals to 4.8. To calculate the variance, we know that the formula variance sigma square is equals to npq. We already know n and p. We need to find q, which is, there is a condition where p plus q is equals to 1, then q is equals to 1 minus p, q is equals to 1 minus 0.6, then q is equals to 0.4. We need to substitute here. When we multiply 8 into 0.6 into 0.4, then the value is 1.92. Therefore, sigma square is equals to 1.92. Therefore, mean is mu is equals to 4.8 and the variance sigma square is 1.92.